If you are watching the channel first time, subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you. If the coefficients of rth r plus 1 and r plus 2th terms in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power of n are in AP, then show that n square minus of 4r plus 1 into n plus 4r square minus 2 is equal to 0. The solution for this: first we will write the general term of the expansion 1 plus x to the power of n, that is tr plus 1 is equals to ncr into x power r. So that using this we can write the trth term. Trth term is nothing but we have to write in the form of tr plus 1. So we can write it as t of r minus 1 plus 1. So in this case r becomes r minus 1. If you apply the concept, you will get ncr minus 1 into x to the power of r minus 1. Similarly, tr plus 2th term be the value. In the problem is said that coefficients of r plus 1, r plus 2 are in AP. Suppose a, b, c are in arithmetic progression, we can write 2b is equals to a plus c be the relation. Using this, we will write the concept. So here binomial coefficients of rth r plus 1, r plus 2th terms are ncr minus 1, ncr, ncr plus 1. If you apply the concept, 2 times of ncr is equals to ncr minus 1 plus ncr plus 1. Now we will write the formulas of ncr. What is the ncr formula? N factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial be the formula. Apply the formula to the left and right side of the problem. Left side ncr is there, be the value n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Right side first term ncr minus 1 is there. So apply the formula, n becomes n only becomes n factorial, r becomes r minus 1, so that you can write in the denominator as r minus 1 factorial into n minus of r minus 1 factorial. Similarly, the second term of the right hand side ncr plus 1, replace r with the r plus 1 in the formula, you will get n factorial by r plus 1 factorial into n minus of r plus 1 factorial. Left and right hand side, write the factorial in a least number. So in the numerator left right we have the n factorial, take as it is. In the denominator r minus 1 factorial be the minimum, and one more factor in the denominator is n minus r minus 1. So writing the left and right hand in terms of these factorials. Left hand side r factorial becomes r into r minus 1 factorial, and one more n minus r factorial we can write it as n minus r into n minus r minus 1. So that is the least factorial, so write it as a factorial number. Right hand side first term in the denominator n minus r plus 1 factorial, we can write it as n minus r plus 1 into n minus r into n minus of r minus 1. So if we write the factorial of a number, we have to reduce a 1 by 1 value till get a factorial number. Now take least factorial values in the denominator of the right hand side. R minus 1 factorial, n minus r minus 1 factorial are the least numbers. In numerator, n factorial will be the common. If we take in these common in the next step, you will get first term of the right hand side remain be the value 1 by n minus r plus 1 into n minus r. In the second term 1 by r plus 1 into r. Now cancel the same factorial values on both the sides. So remain be the value 2 divided by n r into n minus r left hand side. Now in the denominator r into n minus r left side we have, right side first term also having the n minus r. Take the first term to the left side, you will get the result. Then after take a 1 by n minus r is a common, you will get 2 by r minus of 1 by n minus r plus 1 equals to 1 by r plus 1 into r. Taking the LCM and cross multiplying, simplifying, we will get the required result.